Barrister Elvis, for the average Nigerian interested in off-plan development, what can they do to protect themselves? Because we see situations where one pays for a property and you don't get the property. So how do we protect ourselves?
There are a few things that you need to do to ensure that you are protected in an off-plan arrangement with real estate companies. Of course, number one is common sense. You need to look at the historical antecedent, right? I know of so many real estate companies people have been writing, people have made publications about, and it is sad that people are still buying from them, right? So you need to look at the historical antecedent of that company. So you must carry out your due diligence to see whether they have failed others. If they have failed others in the past, then they are going to fail you. Um, then of course you need to get a lawyer to look at the title arrangements to ensure that what is being developed is not just in line with the intention of those who own the land if they are not the actual owners, but that they are building in line with relevant regulations and permits. The third thing that you need to look at is, a default clause to protect yourself from failure to deliver the property. Because we have seen instances where the real estate company will not deliver in 6 months, in 2 years, in 18 months as agreed, and then they offer to return your money, by which time you have lost your money has lost value. So what you need is to have an experienced lawyer negotiate that transaction in such a way that there's a default clause that says that in the event they fail, they will be entitled, you will be entitled to a refund of the current market value of that property as at the time of default, or at the time you are making the demand, or at the time they are paying you. So you need to have that clause to protect yourself. Otherwise, you lose your investment, like we are seeing in many cases. Yes.
Thank you for letting us know.
Thank you.